The fastest way to lose money in Amazon FBA is by choosing the wrong supplier. But the fastest way to scale is working with the right one. In this episode, I will show you exactly how to find real, reliable manufacturers and filter out the bad ones before you even message them. Welcome to the episode 5 of the Amazon FBA Mastery series. Now that your product idea is validated, it's time to find someone to make it for you. Your supplier determines your quality, your margins, and even your brand reputation. Let's break down how to source confidently, especially if you are a beginner. Step 1. Where to search for suppliers. Here are the top 3 sourcing platforms. 1. Alibaba.com, best for private label and bulk orders. 2. 1688.com, domestic pricing in China, requires agent or translator. 3. IndieMart or Global Source, great for textiles, eco products, and alternatives to China. Most beginners start with Alibaba, and that's perfectly fine. Step 2. Filter suppliers like a pro. On Alibaba, use these filters: verified supplier, trade assurance, 3+ year in business, response rate above 80%, manufacturer, not just a trading company. This instantly cuts out the risky ones. Step 3. Contact suppliers the right way. Never send a message like, "Hi, price please. Here's a smart fast outreach template." Subject: Inquiry for product name, private label order. "Hello, I am looking to launch a private label version of product name. Please provide the following details." MOQ or minimum order quantity, price per unit for 300, 500 and 1000 units. Production time, available customization, logo, packaging, color, shipping option to USA, by air and sea. Looking forward to your reply. Thank you. Short, professional, and tells them you are serious, even as a beginner. Step 4. Red flags to avoid. Slow or one-word responses. No business license or vague answers. No trade assurance option. Prices that are suspiciously low. They try to push you to WhatsApp immediately. You want communication, clarity, and consistency. Step 5. Shortlist 3 to 5 suppliers. Once you get replies, compare pricing per unit, MOQ flexibility, customization options, production turnaround time, communication quality. Don't choose the cheapest, choose the most professional and reliable. Now that you have connected with suppliers and shortlisted a few, the next step is testing their product. In episode 6, I will show you how to request samples, what to inspect, and how to decide who to move forward with. If this episode clarified how to research and contact suppliers, hit like and subscribe to stay on track with the series. Thank you for watching.